Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you remember? No. The song you taught me. The Zulu song. Yeah. You. Do you remember that song I taught you? A song from Wales. Yeah. He remembers.
Men of Harlequin.
You're dreaming, can't you see their
Spear points gleaming, see their warriors' pennants streaming to this battlefield. Men of Harlech, stand ye steady, it cannot be ever said ye, for the battle we're not ready. Stand and never yield, through the hills surrounding, let the war cry sounding, summon all to come as call, the mighty foe surrounding. Men of Harlech, come to glory, they shall ever be our story. Keep his fighting words before him. Watchmen never yield.
Yeah, what is it good for? Absolutely. Yeah, what is it good for? Absolutely. Say it again, y'all. Get up off of that thing and do you better. Get up off of that thing and dance to you. Sing it now. Get up off of that thing and dance to you better. Get up off of that thing. Try to release that pressure. Get up off of that thing and shake the you better. Get up off of that thing and shake it. Say it now. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my God. Jump up that sofa. Let's kick it. When I touch mic, I feel in my screw. As if I had a clutch on a magnum. Must be love.
I didn't know. I told you. I came up here to build a bridge.